Yeah, all of it. You looking like Drizzy Drake now.
Then we do tattoos, haircuts, motor swaps, oil change.
Oh my God.
We got jumper house,
Jumper.
birthday parties.
All that.
And then, what else?
We go bike riding and
You know what I'm saying?
Just got back from the junkyard. Giving the car a makeover. As you can see, I went and got the bumper yesterday and didn't realize I like that color. So, upgrade. Okay. Gotta fix that. I knew it was dented when I got it, but a little pop out won't hurt. Yeah, man. The window or the mirror. So, lesson learned. When you do a top end or do something with your motor, just make sure you take care of the cooling systems first, or also before you start driving. So I did the head right, and then I was just filling up the cooling as I went, and then a couple times the car I had to pull over because it started steaming and whatnot. So then finally did a coolant flush and refilled it up the proper way. And then I come in here to, I forget what I came to do. Oh, I had an oil leak again after just doing new seals and everything. And look at the seals, fucking came off. They got fried and melted. They ripped. Look at that. Brand new. And then the seal was burnt in the back or melted. Had a hole in it. These got hard. Tried to pull them out and they were stuck, and I had to break them off piece by piece, as you can see. So now I got a socket, and this is gonna dig in and bite the remainder stuff in there, so that I can finally grab the grab the spark plug. It's gonna eat the stuff around till I can get down in there. So that's where I'm at again. This is all what comes out of the tip. And you got to do it going tightening, because you don't want to loosen it and take it out, because all that shit's gonna get in there. You take the spark plug out. So you want to do this, go to the right as you're tightening it, and then eventually you'll clean it out, blow it out, or vacuum it out. Wow. My home improvement sucker to get back down in there. This is the third time I took this head off. So I fixed it. About 600 miles. Started overheating. Changed the temp valve, whatever the fuck that is right now. I can't think straight. Didn't have a proper seal, so I literally overheated my car and died on me on the freeway, and had to, luckily I was right there around my house and got home, fixed that problem, fixed the seal, flushed the coolant, did the coolant properly. It was running good. Got a new, well, had to take out the spark plug boots, and then they overheated in there and couldn't get them out, so I had to drill them out and shit. And so second-hand gasket, put them on there, and made it another 300 miles and started losing power, and now here I am. The fuck. But I guess here's to another one. We'll diagnose it and see what's good. So one of the problems was, it says 53 pounds of torque. Well, these are 60 ARP studs. This one got stripped out, so I was probably, and I couldn't tighten all these past like 15, 20. So I think maybe these got loose. So now I bought some regular studs so I can tighten it per spec. I saw in a video, dude, before he put his studs in, he dried out his hole because there could have been some oil that got in there. And I think that's what happened. That's why I couldn't tighten them all the way, because oil probably got in the hole. Because all these are coming out with a shit ton of oil on it. So I already knew the header had a crack in it. But damn, this just happened within the 300 miles of driving. I knew it sounded like I had an exhaust leak. Yeah, that's a goner. Fuck, man. I'm nervous as I got the new studs in. As I'm looking at my torque spec and how we do it. It definitely didn't go this tight, so now I'm nervous every time I freaking start torquing. But I realized that's definitely the problem, because definitely didn't go this tight. Fucking belt got stuck in there. Fuck. So we are gonna try to finish this up today. It's a new day. Then we got an oil change. Got the new header, brand used. Facebook market. Okay, so we finally put her back together. We're about to drop some transmission fluid in there to clean her on out, let it run for a little bit. When I do that, I'm gonna give that thing an oil change. Let this run for like half an hour. So yeah, here we go. Always double check right before I put it in. I got a transmission like leak stop instead of this stuff. So, woo, good catch. Fuck, this shit stinks. Woo. Smells like a motherfucker. With that. Doing the oil change here. Neighbors were complaining about the car being too loud, so I only got 15 minutes in it with the idling with the transmission fluid. Turn it on here when I'm done with the oil change. Dog's chilling. What's up, motherfuckers? Last time I have to jack this damn car up, but I'm noticing coolant dripping down like a mofo. I'm hoping it's just excess coolant that's sitting up there from taking the head off and coming off, but I don't know. And here we